Lull is here. FedEx is here. We're super excited to try this Lull. We are so excited to try this Lull mattress. Here it goes. It's stuck on a step. Oh, our Lull mattress is here. Get some sleep.
It's ready.
Are you ready to set it up?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. The unboxing. What do we got in here? Instruction manual? Whoa. We've got the king Lull. We just had a queen.
King.
And Kenny's a tall man, so we needed a little extra space.
That's right.
I'm so excited. I've heard a lot about these, and I cannot wait to get this up and going.
Fun fact, the FedEx guy said this was the 5th one he's delivered today, and it is 12:45. That's crazy.
So it's gotta be pretty good.
These guys are doing really good.
Do you need some help? Maybe tip the box on the side.
Yeah.
Think you're gonna need me? No. All right, so it's packed up really nicely in like a plastic covering. And they say once you open it and get it all situated, it takes about 24 to 48 hours before it reaches its full
I don't understand how they
size.
pack it this tight.
It's magic. It's a little magic.
Okay, I don't know which way is which, but
Let's just do it and see what happens. It's like Christmas.
I don't know.
I've had the same mattress for like, this is really embarrassing, for like 10 years.
Well, you can hear it.
Whoa. It's like expanding. Whoa. That's crazy.
So it actually needs to go.
I think it's on the side right now.
Yeah. Goes like that.
Yeah. The question is white on top or, oh, I think the white's on top.
Yeah. Swing it too.
I'm not being very helpful right now. No.
Okay.
You need my help?
No, I got this.
Okay. Man pride. I think you need my help.
No, wait.
Okay. So I guess maybe
I was just doing it wrong the whole time.
one thing you can get out of this video is that it is possible for one person to do it by themselves. So we haven't had a chance to buy like the frame or anything like that, so we're gonna just keep ours on the floor for right now, and then eventually put a frame under it. But they say you can put it on the floor, so we're gonna do that for a few days.
It's like we're in college.
Yeah. Sure you don't need my help?
Yep.
Okay. Woo!
Nice.
He's done it all by himself. But I will do the sheets and such, Ken.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No! Oh, I guess you deserve to lay on it. You did all the hard work.
This is nice.
Your Lull will do most of its expanding in 2 to 5 hours and will fully expand within 24 to 48 hours. It says you can sleep in it right away, but it's got pressure relief because it has memory foam and it evenly distributes weight and contours to your body curves. And then it relieves pressure points, and it's got temperature control because it has a foam layer that's injected with a gel polymer that transfers heat away from your body. Ooh, spine alignment, motion control, So like I can get up out of bed and Kenny will never even know.
That's right.
That's pretty wild. Pretty wild. And it has no smell. Just
I know, there's no smell.
there's like no.
It actually like smells fresh, if anything. Like it's not anything wild.
And one of the commonly asked questions is, do I need to flip my mattress? And it says nope.
No flipping.
Lull isn't designed to be flipped. If you're
And-
sleeping with someone whose weight is significantly different than yours, we recommend rotating your mattress 180 degrees every 3 to 6 months. Pretty cool. And it's got a 100-night trial. It's pretty damn cool, pretty much. We got brand new sheets.
Yep.
It's probably unfluttering me.
So we've decided to go with all white sheets.
Ken, what have you found out about having all white sheets?
All
Like
white
bedding.
sheets on your bedding promotes better sleep because it's a very light color and it's easy on the brain for when you go to sleep.
You want to tell
Crystal-
everybody how you don't sleep very well?
Crystal sleeps very easily. She's usually out within
36.
like 2 minutes of us laying there. I get about 4 hours of sleep per night
On average.
on average. So I usually lay there for like a good hour or two, sleep for maybe 4 hours, but I kind of wake up in between the 4 hours, and then I usually wake up at like 5 or 6, and I'm just like up the whole time. So
Ken, look at that fitted sheet.
that's nice.
That's nice. All right. Well, we've had our first night in our Lull bed.
It is seriously the most comfortable bed I've ever slept in. And I honestly sleep like 4 hours a night. And last night, how many hours do you think I slept?
Almost 10, because we went to bed at midnight and woke up
I
at
slept
like
almost
10.
10 hours. And that happens to me like once a month after I like go so long without sleep. I just crash. And it's like, what, 11:30 in the morning, and I can't wait to go to bed tonight.
See, I normally have no problem sleeping. I could probably sleep like sitting down, but I typically wake up kind of sore in the morning, and I didn't wake up sore.
I know, same. That's the first thing that we said to each other when we woke up. Like, we got up, started making our coffee, and I was just like, I'm not sore. Like, for the first time in a long time. Like, usually when you wake up, you think your soreness is just from you sleeping or something, but it's your mattress.
Yeah.
And the Lull Mattress is amazing. Doesn't make you sore.
It's cozy, and we love it.
Love it.
Check out Lull. We'll put the link to their website down below in the description, and you should get one.
100%.
They're awesome. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below anything else you'd like to see us do. If there's any products out there you'd like us to review, throw them at us. Till next time, we're gonna be having a great day because we slept wonderfully.
Yep.
See ya.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dreams.